big 10,000. Maybe it's gonna be kind of shaky. Don't get ran over in the process. That helped them up on the tail. There we go. Rolled over. Alright folks, so that is 10,000 miles on the Nishiki, Manitoba. It's been about a week since the wind's been so bad, but finally I just give up and film it next to the house. I've drove it since then. It's got 51 miles. So maybe 10,000 miles isn't a big achievement on a bike. I don't know. But this is a cheap bike, so maybe it is a achievement. I spent 400 bucks on it at Dick's Sporting Goods back in 18. Since then I really haven't replaced just but the maintenance items. So it's been a pretty good bike. I don't see no replace it, so I guess I'll just keep on rolling until the frame gives out. So alright, reviewed the video. I figure I better dive a little bit more into the maintenance items that's been replaced on this bike. Of course, the tires. I replaced them with these Schwalbs back at 3,900 miles. So got lots of tread, so I don't know how long these things will last. 6,000 miles, that's quite a bit. I did replace the bottom crankset. It had a rivet that came loose, so I just went and replaced it. I went ahead and replaced the bottom bracket also, since I do a lot of wet riding. I have a click. I've always had a click, and I don't know why. I don't know where it comes from, but it's not too annoying. It goes off and on. Pedals I replaced 3 times. The first set I broke because I took a corner too fast. Second one, there's nothing wrong with them. I decided to change them out with this set for a long ride. The back wheel, I bent the axle on it a while back. This wheel is actually off the other bike I had before this. I had to place freewheel on it. And chain, I've had replaced it like 3 times. Last 3,000 to 4,000. Brake pads every 3,000 to 4,000. I always use the cool stop ones. I don't know if you see that in there. So, I mean, yeah, you gotta replace stuff like anything mechanical, but sure is a lot cheaper on the bike. Bike meet down underneath the west bottom bridges here. I don't remember what the name it is. It used to be called El Toro, but I think they renamed it. Got another helmet, got a couple bike shorts. Got a folding bike. Let's see how it goes. Pretty cool little, they hold it I think once or twice a year. I've been here twice. We're stopping by. So yeah, I took the Festiva so I wouldn't buy a bike. I guess you can say that backfired. Fits perfectly.